Do you know the difference between expansion project and modernization project? Let's understand through Manu and Vinu. Both Manu and Vinu are running bakery. Both of them are doing their business successfully. They are very eager to grow and both of them are going to adopt a strategy and they are altogether different. If you look at the case of Manu, he understands that there is a good demand for cakes in his territory. So he opened a second bakery. It means now he can make more sales. Of course, he may have to incur more cost, but since he is expecting more sales to happen, he is expecting increase in profit. But Vinu, on the other side, focused on improving the efficiency. So he invested in advanced oven so that he can bake faster, he can consume less electricity. So this will increase his efficiency as well as reduce the cost on one side. Then he also upgraded the ordering system. So this helped him to reduce the wastage. So overall his costs have come down and this is contributing to increase in profit. So here the strategy adopted by Manu is expansion and strategy adopted by Manu is expansion and here the strategy adopted by Vinu is modernization. Let's go a little deeper into each of these concepts. Expansion means we are increasing the production capacity or say increasing the market reach or increasing the operational scale of the business. So this could involve setting up a new unit or increasing the production line or entering the new market. Here the ultimate goal is growth, which can be achieved via increased sales and market penetration. Whereas modernization involves upgrading the existing process or equipment or technology. Why it is done? It is done to improve the efficiency, reduce the cost, enhance the product quality, and here the ultimate goal is better productivity, lowering the operating cost and improving the competitiveness. So let's quickly run through the difference between expansion and modernization. Expansion will result in increase in sales, whereas modernization focuses on cost reduction. Because of expansion, there will be increase in expenses also because it travels along with this. But under modernization, there will be gradual reduction in certain expenses. Expansion can drive profit, can result in more profit if there is a additional demand. Modernization will also contribute to profits because it is helping in cost reduction. Under expansion, the return on investment is based on the additional demand. Whereas under modernization, return on investment is very quick because there is going to be cost reduction and that will result in better margin, so ROI will be more visible. Expansion comes with a risk because if demand does not grow as expected, we'll be in trouble. Whereas modernization, the risk is very less because it is improving the existing operations only. So already there is a set of operation, we are modernizing it, we are improving it, the turnover is happening, cost has come down, so there is low risk. And here we go, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1-year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.